another problem, 789. Escape the ghost. So let me first explain the problem. So we are given infinite of board. Let me just make a drawing of this infinite board. Yeah. So in this area, let me make a drawing, and let's just check the example 1 maybe. Yeah. So this is gonna be an infinite board. Yeah. So the problem is that maybe there's a target at some area. Maybe here is a target, so we're gonna call it T. So this is a target, and at some areas maybe there are ghosts. So this is a G, and this is gonna be ghost. Yeah, and this is gonna be ghost. And so for me, I'm studying at some areas, maybe here. Yeah. So the problem is that yeah, we want to check if I can return to the target earlier than the ghost. So for each of the times, ghost can move one step, top, left, bottom, and right, or the ghost can stay still. So this is very important. Yeah. Otherwise, it's gonna be a BFS problem. The ghost can stay still. Yeah. So in this way, it means this problem gonna become a mathematical problem. We're gonna only check the distance from the ghost to that point, and the distance is Manhattan distance. So for the Manhattan distance for the ghost to the target, maybe, for example, it is 3, and for this ghost to the target, maybe the Manhattan distance is 2. But for me, maybe my distance is 1, so it means I'm gonna return true. Maybe the distance is 2. It means when I go to the target, one of the ghosts, this ghost can also go to the target, so I'm gonna return false. So let's just turn this problem into a mathematical problem. So we're gonna prepare two variables, x1 and y1 should be equal to the target, and we're gonna prepare a distance, and it's gonna be the absolute of x1 plus absolute of y1. Yeah, because this is a target, I'm starting at 0, 0. So x1 minus 0, y1 minus 0, so it's going to be the same. Yeah. Now we just need to enumerate all those numbers. So for x2, y2 inside the ghosts. Now we can check the distance. So if absolute of x2 minus x1, so it is the Manhattan distance, so we're going to use absolute of y2 minus y1. Yeah, so if that is so if the distance from the ghost to the target is less than or equal to my distance to the target, so I'm gonna return a false. Otherwise, I'm gonna return true. Yeah. So actually, this problem should not be so difficult. We should not understand it as a BFS problem. Otherwise, it's gonna be much more difficult, because there is a stay still. So if there's no stay still, this problem is gonna be really difficult. Now let me run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can prove all testing cases. As you can see, it passed all testing cases, and the time complexity is O(n). Thank you for watching. See you next time.